Good morning and warm welcome. I am Assistant Professor Surekha Dhinde, HOD Commerce of BNN College, Bhiwandi. At the outset, I offer my gratitude to Padma Shri Anna Sahib Jadhav, Founder President of Padma Shri Anna Sahib Jadhav Bharatiya Samaj Unnati Mandal. I prepare this PPT under the guidance and motivation by our Honorable Principal Dr. Ashok Vag sir. Here I am going to present. In this PPT, I am presenting syllabus of business law, same 3, part 1 for the academic year 2020-21. So there are 5 modules. Each module for 20 marks asked in exam. So first module, Indian Contract Act 1872. So Indian Contract Act are divided into part 1 and part 2 as a first module and second module. Each module are further subdivided into 4 parts. Let me take pen. Yeah, it is denoted by bulletin dot. So first part contract, second part offer and acceptance, third part capacity to contract, and fourth part consideration. So thus each module divided under 4 parts, and each 4 part one question will be asked. For example, under contract, question A, question 1A, then does another part offer and acceptance, question 1B, then under capacity to contract, question 1C, and under for consideration, question 1D. So 4 questions under each module, 4 questions will be asked, and students have to attempt any 2, each question of 10 marks. So under contract, we have to study essentials of valid contract, classification of contract, then offer and acceptance, rules of valid offer, then types of offer, then distinguish between offer and invitation to offer, communication, then revocation of offer and acceptance. Then under part 3, capacity to contract, person who are capable to enter into contract. Then under consideration, importance of consideration, legal rules of consideration, exceptions to the rule, no consideration, no contract, and unlawful consideration. So this is all about part 1, module 1. Then module 2, second part of Indian Contract Act. Under second module also 4 parts are there, denoted by dot bulletin. So first part, consent, what is called as a free consent, then void agreements. So void agreement under Indian Contract Act we have to learn under that. Then third part, contingent contract, quasi contract, then e-contract, and legal issues in formation of e-contract, and also concept of performance of e-contract. And fourth part, modes of discharge of contract as well as remedies on breach of contract. Now third module, special contract. There are 4 types of special contract. Under first part, indemnity and guarantee, second, bailment, under third, pledge as well as lien, pledge and lien, and under fourth, law of agency. Then fourth chapter, the Sale of Goods Act 1930, again 4 part, contract of sale, conditions and warranties, property, and fourth one unpaid sailor. Let me erase. And the fifth module, the Negotiable Instrument Amended Act 2015. So here we see only 3 bulletin, but question we have to 4. So this second part we will subdivide it and make it 4. So first part, negotiable instrument, its characteristics, classification, then maturity. And the second part, promissory note, bill of exchange. Okay, so essentials of promissory note, bill of exchange, then features of them, then kinds of both of them, then different. Here we see check. Okay, so we will consider this as a third part. Okay, so about check we have to study types, then distinguish between bill of exchange check, dishonor of check, and penalties if in case of dishonor. And fourth part is miscellaneous provision. Under that, parties to negotiable instrument, holder in due course, rights and privileges of holder in due course, payment in due course, and the concept of noting and protest. Now let me erase all. Okay. Now next one, this is paper pattern. So paper of business law is of 100 marks. For as 5 modules are there, so 5 questions will be asked. Here it mentioned 5 questions of 20 marks each, and each from each module, 1 from each module. Then all questions are compulsory, and each questions have 4 sub questions. See, here I have shown. So question 1, and these are the 4 sub question, and students to answer any 2 out of 4. Means there is not grouping. All 4 are there. You have to select any 2, and each question worth 10 marks. Let me erase first. So we stop here. Thank you.